People go out, drink too much, end up collapsing, quite often out in public. They're unresponsive, their friends or passers-by are unable to wake or rouse them. We have to respond to these calls as a matter of urgency. This can then impact on other calls. Quite often these could be elderly patients on the floor or people who are quite ill. It would be good that people took a little bit of responsibility, didn't drink too much, ate before they went out, because this can have a severe impact on how we serve London as a whole.